gold still continues to rise in value against US dollar, and yesterday the price created a bullish candle where we can see that the price has formed also a large wick on the upper side, which means after the bulls have pushed the price up, there was a selling pressure around here, around 3791.29, where the price has retraced back down. We can see also that the price could not manage to go further down after forming this small wick, reaching the next support level, which was 3716.14. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see yesterday how the price has behaved. Since the day has started, we can see the price formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 3755.28, and the price continued to rise in value with a strong bullish candle, and it has stopped here around 3791.25, and from there the price has retraced back down all the way to this area of support 3755.28. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see easily how the price has behaved yesterday. Since the morning, we can see that here the price was forming a bullish candle, trying to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, and we can see for several hours the price formed indecision candles, which means continuing of the previous strong bullish candle. It was the time when the price will make a bullish breakout, and it was a strong one. We can see that here, where the price has managed to make a bullish breakout above several of these resistance levels. The price stopped here at 3781.83. We can see that as a resistance level where the price could not manage to go above that. And let me adapt this one slightly, because this will be the resistance where the price has stopped. And from here the price has retraced back down to the first area of support 3773.53, and we can see the price was trying to move down, making a bearish breakout, but here was also buying pressure that was pushing the price up. But also this was a very important criteria for the bears, and also this was for the bulls. And eventually we can see that yesterday the price formed a strong bearish candle, returning back down all the way to this area of support, which was 3755, and from here the price has retraced back up, bouncing from this area of support, stopping at the resistance, and could not manage to make a bullish breakout. We can see that forming a strong bearish engulfing candle, which has took the price to the first area of support. From here the price continued to lose its value, touching very close to this area of the demand zone, where the buys are waiting, and forming a bullish pin bar. This bullish pin bar was a trigger for me to send this information to the premium analysis traders, where they get information that this is a bullish pin bar targeting the next resistance level, and we can see the target is right here at this area of resistance 3765.58. If you would like to receive these updates, like in this example, when there is some kind of a candle formation or bearish or bullish breakouts on the market, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders to receive these updates. From here, what we can expect for today. Let's go to the daily time frame. We can see it is a continuous bullish momentum still active on the market, so there is high probability that the price will continue to rise in value. This is all-time high price level, so there is no tested or already tested resistance that we could count on where the price could retrace and what would be the target. So the daily time frame doesn't show too much information, except that there is the next resistance level 3870.55, which is a pretty far from this current price level. So this means there could be and should be and will be some of the resistance levels in between until the price reaches this area of resistance. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has touched the support level 3755.28. From here the price is currently bouncing. How far the bounce will be, currently I know that the target is on the 1-hour time frame here, a resistance level which could not be broken for several hours, where the price was trying to move higher but unsuccessfully. So after the price reaches this area of resistance, we will see how the price will behave, like in this example where we can see the price touches support and form a bullish pin bar, bouncing up. So for the 4-hour time frame, what we can see here, the price was rising in value. This is currently a retrace. This is the support that is currently holding, and we can see 3 candles, which means 3 time frames with 4-hour could not manage to make a bearish breakout, which means a strong support level currently holding, and it's very important. The next one will be this area of resistance for the price that needs to be broken in order to allow the price to reach higher price levels 3773.53. So for now, for the 4-hour time frame, I'm waiting outside to see how the market will react, and on the 1-hour time frame similar scenario, but currently the first resistance level that needs to be broken will be 3765.58, not 3773. So if the price makes a bullish breakout with a clean candle, not meaning like this example here where we have only the wicks. Now the candle body should make a bullish breakout going above and reaching high price levels, which means the market has managed to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. Bulls have managed to push the sellers from here to the higher price levels. Where this will be stopped will be the next 3784. 3784.88 is the next resistance where the price could experience some stop, but we'll see. Let's go step by step and see how the price behaves. Now we can see very important support level will be this one here, and the very important resistance level is this one, and the next after that will be here. After the price makes a bullish breakout here or bearish breakout here, I will also share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so feel free to check and join other traders if you would like to receive these updates. For now, let's see how the price behaves. I'm more inclined to see the price rising in value because of this strong momentum reaching higher price levels, and then we will see how the price behaves after that. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.